Hey, hey, hey! Good day, glow morning, glow afternoon, glow evening, Team Valorant. Before we begin, type good news if someone shared an opportunity that changed your life. Type in dyan sa chat box. Today, I want to ask you, what if someone never told you about Infinite Vida? What if someone stays silent? Would you be here today? So, ang topic natin for tonight is about the four lepers principle. We cannot stay silent. So, bigyan ko lang kayo ng backstory, no? So, the backstory is Samaria, yung isang bayan, was under siege. Walang pagkain, no hope. People were starving. Tapos, merong apat na may ketong o four lepers were outside the city. So, let's understand the story. Yung city of Samaria was surrounded by Aramean army. Walang nakakapasok, walang nakakalabas. No one could go in, no one could go out. Food became so scarce that the Bible describes a terrible famine. People were desperate outside the city, sat four lepers. In Bible times, lepers are outcasts, yung mga may ketong. Kasi walang pang gamot before ang leprosy. They couldn't live outside the city. They had no future, no food, no hope. Then they asked each other, why sit here until we die? That question changed everything. So the four lepers had a choice, stay where they were or move. They didn't know what would happen, but they decided to walk. Sometimes the biggest miracles starts with one step of courage. Tayo dito sa Infinite Vida, sometimes our biggest challenge isn't lack of opportunity. It's taking the first step. So when they arrived, the enemy was gone. God had already performed the miracle. The tents were full of food, gold, silver, clothing. Imagine their joy. There's a lesson. There's the lesson. Sometimes God has already prepared the blessing. We just haven't walked far enough to see them. Okay? So, yun yung turning point. The turning point, this is my favorite part. After eating, after enjoying the blessing, listen to this. One leper said, we are not doing right. This is a day of good news. And we remain silent. They realized the blessing wasn't only for them. It was meant to be shared. So, how can we apply this sa business natin? Team, Valorant, listen to this. Our products improve confidence. Our business creates opportunities. Then this is good news. Voice is not forcing people. Yung pagpe-present, hindi tayo nagpo-force. Yung voice na tinatawag sa Vital 5, voice or presenting is serving people. We don't share because we need a sale. We share because someone might need the solution. Diba sa Vital 5, yung V, voice? Voice is not the first part of our Vital 5. Every presentation, every product demo, every invitation could change someone's life. Remember, your silence may keep someone from discovering a solution. Sayang eh, 'di ba? So we need to practice your invitation. Everybody, let's practice. Type ready in the chat. Diba? Now repeat after me. Hi, meron akong gustong i-share sa iyo na nakatulong sa akin. Dahil importante ka sa akin, gusto kitang bigyan ng 10 minutes para mapakita ito. Diba? Simple, natural, sincere. Diba? Whether face-to-face yan or video conference, you can do it. Simple. This week's challenge, conduct at least 10 product demos or presentation. 10 pahid, 10 presentation, online or face-to-face. Then post your photos in the group using hashtag Team Valorant Voice, hashtag Good News Shared. Let's fill our community with action. Yung may pinakamaraming demo presentation, merong reward from me. Yes, i-screenshot natin yan. Bibilangin natin yan this week. Okay, so this is the last slide, our declaration for today. Everybody type this in the chat. I will not stay silent. Again, I will not stay silent. I will share good news. Again, I will share good news. I will use my voice to serve people. Team, the 4 lepers could have kept everything from themselves. Instead, they choose to share the good news. And an entire city benefited. Maybe we are the same. Let's not keep hope to ourselves. Let's not keep opportunities to ourselves. Let us use our voice to bless lives, build leaders, and glorify God. See you this week as we complete our 10 product demos. Always remember to put your hustle on and keep it strong. Thank you guys. To God be the glory. This is Mr. Worldwide, Arthur Macogay. God bless.